Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I would like to show you a very powerful indicator that is one of the best indicators to measure Bitcoin bull run. When it turns on or turns green on a weekly time frame chart, then you can see that Bitcoin is in bull run. Right now, you can see that it is green, and when it turns off or it turns red, then you can see that we are in a very long-term bear trend. Like previously, it was green. You can see we had a very powerful bull run. This was, by the way, the drop of March. It was turned green here in the month of May 2019. But after a short rally, we had a COVID drop, COVID crash, and for a while it turned off or turned red. Then you can see that again, it turned on. And when it was red here, we had a big drop. And before that, it was green. We had a big rally. And at the same time, I would also like to show you this ADX. Right now, you can see that the negative directional index is crossing up the positive direction index. That is a bit critical because the negative directional index shows that bears are now taking control. And if we have this blue line, that is the positive directional index, if it is above the negative directional index, that is showing that bulls are now in the control. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this directional movement index as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for flow key, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like I shared this signal on 20th of May, 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that Bitcoin is moving inside this up channel. Recently, it formed a double top here. And after the rejection by the resistance of this double top, that is approximately at $73,000, the price line moved down, and now we are about to test the support of the channel once again. And we are also about to test this lower bands or support of this super trend as well. And if the price line breaks down this support or lower bands of the super trend and also the support of the up channel as well, then this super trend, it can be changed from green to red, and that will be an indication for a very long-term bearish trend. And it has been happening previously as well. You can see whenever it turns red on the weekly time frame chart, after that you can see that eventually the price then moves down. And if we take a look at the previous bull run, then here back after the month of December 2017, you can see that when it was green, we had a very powerful bull run, and when it was turned, then up till here, up till the month of April 2019, we had a very long-term bearish trend. And here it was turned green in the month of April 2019. Then we had another bull run started, but here this was the COVID crash. Therefore, for a while it was turned red, but again, eventually the price then moved up. Therefore, this support will be very significant. Another support is the support of this up channel. And right now you can see that we are trying to break down the swing low of the month of May 2024. That was the lowest price of the May 2024 at $56,500. And if we will have a weekly closing below this support, then there will be a very high probability that the price line may try to break down the lower bands or this support of the super trend, and it may try to break down the support of the channel as well. Now, if we take a look at the directional movement index, you can see whenever this blue line crosses up the orange line, this blue line represents the bullish line, and this orange line is the negative directional index that represents the bears. Whenever the blue line crosses up, it shows that now the price can go up. And when this orange line goes up or crosses up the blue line, it shows that now the price will move down. You can see that it is crossing up. Right now, we are receiving a bear cross, but this is the ADX. This is a very important part of this directional movement index. You can see it is moving down. That shows the power of bulls or bears. For example, if we will have a bullish line above the bearish line and this ADX is moving up, that shows that now there will be a significant buying and we may see a price moves to the upside, and right now you can see it is moving down. So it is showing us that despite we are watching this bear cross, but there will be very low sell off. But if this orange line will be still above the blue line, and this ADX or directional movement index, this red line will start moving to the upside, that will be something concerning, and that will show that now we can expect extreme sell off like we had here. After this cross, you can see when ADX was moved up, you can see we had extreme sell off, same as like that. The price line can break down the super trend support and the support of the channel, and we can expect a very, very extreme sell off. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on the support of the super trend and the support of the channel, and especially this support right now that we are watching here. The price line is trying to break down, that is at $56,500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.